Hello, friends. So this is a quick video because I have to go to bed because I have to get up to be at the parade tomorrow. I'm so excited. Get to be with the band. Yay, the band. I play in 2 pipe bands, and we have a parade tomorrow for 4th of July. So I'm getting picked up at 7 o'clock, which I'm not really a morning person, and I have to put the kilt on and all that stuff, so I can't stay on too long. But I didn't want to forget to do a video about cleaning your tools. So this is about cleaning your tools if you're into divination stuff. So I use white sage and a feather. But for all of my tools, I burn some sage in a shell, and then I pass everything over through the smoke that comes out of the sage. And it's very similar to using incense in the church. If you come from a tradition, a Catholic tradition that uses incense, incense is often used to bless things and to purify the air and to get rid of negative energy. And so for all of my tools, I just ask that that white light energy comes into them, and that that all negativity is removed, and that that God would grace the tool and embody the tool with wisdom and spirit and courage and divine love. And so that whatever messages come out using these tools will be emboldened with those traits. So it's really good to clean your stuff. You know, you can kind of feel, I think, inside, or at least I can feel, when my tools are starting to get a little bit too much of a lot of different energy in them. You know, I have hikers who often ask for readings and stuff, and so all of their energy kind of gets mixed in, and then my energy is mixed in too. So you know, it's really good to take the time and clear them. And then it also helps you to make sure that you have all your cards, because you kind of put them in order before you smudge them. I pull out all my stones, make sure they're all there. And so it's just helpful to, you know, kind of assess what I have, and, you know, kind of touch everything and be sure that everything is in order, and then stored properly. I also smudge all the containers and all the baggies that everything comes in, just to make sure that everything's protected in God's white light. So I did that today. And then I have one hiker in the yard, and a young lady named Lily, and so she wanted a reading, and it was a really good reading for her. Really talked about her I don't need to know the question that the person asks the cards, because I'm not a fortune teller, so I'm not telling the future or anything, but, you know, whatever question they have on their heart, they don't need to share it with me. They don't need to. Some places actually want you to share it, since these are oracle cards, which are meditation cards, and really helps you to think about the issue that you're doing. And so I leave it up to the person about whether they want to share the question with me or not. But she didn't share the question, and at the end she was like, wow, that was dead on. And I think it's because the stones were clean. So I just wanted to share with you that it's important to clean your divination tools. I clean my rosary beads, my prayer beads, you know, everything that I have. I just took a few hours this afternoon. I organized my pipes, organized my spiritual stuff, and I feel much better for it. So it's all good. So be well. Happy 4th of July for those of you who live here in the States, and for those of you abroad. You know, Americans make a big deal. A lot of fireworks going on here in Palmerton. So be well. Take care. Bye-bye.